Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today I am going to be unboxing the Latitude 7640. Now I am pumped because in our 7000 series, this is the first time where we're going to have a 16-inch notebook. Let's jump right in. So got the box over here. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at what's inside. You are going to see you have a couple of boxes, and I'll place them off to the side. So, first one will be our AC adapter, which, if you look at that, pretty slick. It's a 60 watt AC adapter, pretty small. It's one of our new ones, which is really great to see. Let's place this over here. Next up, we have the notebook, and I am pumped. Let's go ahead and cut the seal. Ooh-wee. Sweet. Let's go ahead and tuck this off to the side. Sweet. It's pretty slick. Let's go ahead and take the covers off. And wow, look at the aluminum. It's pretty slick. Fan venting. Sweet. Alrighty, let's take a look. So you will see the aluminum chassis. Again, this is a 7640 in our Latitude 7000 series. Up top, you will see you do have a 3.5mm jack, 2 USB-As, and a Noble lock slot. Fan venting up the back over here, and you flip it around here, you will see a full-size HDMI as well as 2 Thunderbolt ports, which is absolutely slick. Oh, wow. So if you look at the keyboard, you will see your top firing speakers over here, a massive touchpad. We do have the micro LED backlit technology from a keyboard perspective that will save battery life. It's proximity based, and it's pretty slick what we've done there. You will see that the screen size again is 16-inch, which is great to see. This is pretty sweet. So looking at another way, right here. So you will see 13th generation Raptor Lake architecture, so latest and greatest from an Intel perspective. A good amount of memory, storage, and really for something this slick, it actually doesn't feel too heavy, which is great to see. So again, this was the unboxing of the Latitude 7640, the first time in our 7000 series. You are going to see this 16-inch. It does have 2 smaller devices as well, the 13-inch and 14-inch, which can come in the aluminum or the ultralights. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.